everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita, hope you all are doing well, and again I am back with a BTS music video reaction. So this is Black Swan, one of their 2020 songs. So I am really excited to listen to this song. So I have right now in my list, I have like Black Swan, like in my BTS priority list, Black Swan, Stay Gold, and then I was going through the comments, some song called as Idol and DNA, Mic Drop. There's so many songs, so probably first it is Black Swan and Stay Gold because I want to get done with their 2020 songs first, and then maybe I'll do DNA because I remember that song playing in the intro video and you told me that was DNA, so I'll react to that as well probably after Stay Gold. So yeah, without delaying this any further, let's just begin. Again with those subtitles I'll have to, okay, no problem. Let's just start. Wow. I am their official fan now. I'm probably not an army, but at least I'm a fan. This came in March. Oh, so they continuously like 1 month after another. Oh wow. Oh, Jungkook. They look amazing. Who's that? This, I think I've seen this set somewhere, this building. A lot of Bollywood songs I think have been shot here. That's why maybe I can recall it. Okay, again, I have to start reading the subtitles. Wait. Do you think? Ooh, that shadow! Ooh, Sugar! This guy! Oh my god, I absolutely did not read the lyrics when RM came on screen because... Oh my god, I think it took my breath away right now. Whew! Kim Namjoon is just killing me, huh? He's looking so hot. Why? So Sugar sings that I think I have stopped loving music. Something like that. Like I'm scared that I've stopped loving music or something. That would be my first death. Oh, there's a shadow there also. Taeyang, Kim Taeyang, V. That's short. So they are saying that they don't feel excited now when they are making music? Wow, why are they saying that? No, don't say that. I've just discovered you, please. No. Now I feel really bad how I didn't know about them. I've just discovered you. Don't say no song affects me anymore. Jimin is... Oh, look at them in black. Oh. Wow, the lyrics. Oh my god, black and white. Oh my god. Wait. So they are saying that they are literally struggling with music now? They are not finding it exciting anymore? Look at that contrast between them in black and them in white. So maybe it's like a struggle for them. That set where they're wearing black, when they start, where the stairs are, so beautiful. Sinking struggle, but it's like an ocean floor. My goodness. And Jin is looking so good. Look at him. Oh my god. Oh, what? Oh. Jungkook looks amazing. Oh my god. Yes. All close-up shots. of the handsome dudes that, yeah, I am. Look at us, how good looking we are. Yes, guys, you are incredibly good looking. Never seen such beautiful people. Oh my god! So he's the Black Swan? Keep losing focus. Ooh! This building. Oh! I can't believe the depth of their lyrics. Every song I just watch is just it starts just getting better and better with every song that I'm watching. The depth, they are literally saying that we are shit scared that we are gonna like fall in this pit where we are no longer excited about music. Oh my god. This is more like a self-reflection song. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, the corset is making him look 100 times more sexier. Woo, Jimin! This is his song. It's all the contemporary moves, and he was like a top student. So, this song belongs to Jimin, guys. Jimin is the winner of this song. Those beats. I love Taeyong in this perm hairstyle. Yes, Jin. Woo! This is Jimin's song. Woo! Oh wow. What's my thing? Tell me now. They are like, now I'm no longer interested in music. If I don't love music, then what's my thing? That is so freaking deep. Look at this shot. I don't even have words to even describe my appreciation now, because I think I've used up all the words and phrases of how impressed I get with. Oh my god. This is probably like at par with Fake Love in terms of the lyrics, the depth of the lyrics. Look at this building. I recognize this building from somewhere. I think I've seen a lot of Bollywood movies also, like Bollywood songs also getting shot in this venue. Oh wow. And that light coming in from between, that one light, and oh. Why do the songs get over so quickly? Oh, and I love it with the shadows, like all the shadow references. That is so cool. I'm sure the shadow means something. Okay, it's over. Okay. So I'm saying I'm sure like the shadow means something, because like the person was singing but the shadow was doing something else. So it's like their struggle with themselves, which they were saying, like they not liking the music anymore that they make, and they're struggling, what's my thing, tell me now. That was the line. Wow, this song, the beat, I love such songs. These kind of songs are probably my personal favorite. That is why I think I loved Fake Love also, because of the depth of the lyrics now. And this song is so like you can dance in this song also, like a slow dance. But this song, Jimin in this song is just killing it, like all with his contemporary moves. I think that's why they let him do like the solo stuff, because he's probably the best doing the contemporary moves. I love it, and everybody again looks so good. I think in this song probably the one who snatched my wig away was Namjoon, because oh my god, he looked like $1,000,000 with that. And when he does this with that eye expression, yeah, like, do you expect me not to die? Of course I will be dead with that expressions. Oh, okay. So yeah, that was my reaction to Black Swan by BTS. I am officially your fan now, guys. I'm probably not, I shouldn't call myself an army because I don't think I've qualified that level of fandom. But yes, you have an official fan from India who have just discovered you in 2020. Now I feel really bad. How come I didn't know about them like earlier? What was I doing in my life? Oh yeah, I was doing a corporate job, so yeah, whatever. So yes, I hope you liked the reaction. Please do like, share and comment me your thoughts, and more BTS reactions coming your way. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.